So hey guys, so we didn't go to yoga. Or Deanie did. She didn't like it though, so good thing we didn't go. We tried to go to the breakfast buffet at the restaurant. It's not the restaurant, it's at the 3rd floor. So now we're at the 3rd floor, but me and Lily were like, it doesn't really look very good. We'd rather just pick something up while we're out. But Charlotte and Deanie are getting it. So me and Lily, I got a coffee and a panini, and Lily got
this lemon bread
and a chai latte. And now we're on our way to Charlottenburg Palace, and we're waiting for the U7. And some guy was yodeling. Charlottenburg. Charlotte's in the burg. Could they talk? I'll put it in the vlog. Wow. Char opened her restaurant. Trees. Spooky. I love a good country. The garden. Look at the palace. Look at his pee-pee. Poor guy. Deanie wants to take a Polaroid of us. Show us your Polaroid.
so annoying.
Cha-ching! Oh my god, he's holding a... I think it's a goat. Oh. Palace. They're like, that's what I do when I'm cold. I hunch my neck in like that.
I love them so much. I like them.
We're just gonna do a lap. You have to wave. Do a queen wave, Lily. It's disrespectful if you don't. Oh my god, that door is massive. Oh my god, what are you doing? No! I don't want to play tag. Look how big that door is.
It's not open, it's locked.
Oh no.
But I got possessed enough.
I really met some other Canadian travelers. They seem really nice. I'll introduce you to them. They are. They're just chilling out over there. They really like the water. So, hey guys, see you back in Canada. Cute blue building. I wonder what this was. I feel like when the princess would get in trouble, she'd be banished to this little building. We're at the White Museum, BT Dubs. Kind of gives me Trapo, but look, they have American flags. It's like a house. Bathroom. So now we're going to the grocery store again to get stuff for dinner and for breakfast and some alcohol and some Chase and some cream for Lily's rash.
Yeah, I'm rashy.
I see an avocado dive.
This one feels
Is it squishy?
squishy.
Pretty squishy, yeah, it's pretty squishy. And then still the high windows. It's all purple this time. We just have these 4 bunks. We have 2 bathrooms. Pretty litty. And look at the lockers. They're ginormous. The reality host finale. Little one, we're so excited. I should have filmed my reaction, but thank God. Dinner time. We're going to go make dinner. We're making taco salad. If there's no one in there, I'll do a cooking vid, but there's definitely going to be people in there, so. No, you're taking too long. Oh, I need my water bottle. Thanks for reminding me.
I forgot my sweat. I mean my water bottle.
I just came up with a couple genius TikTok ideas, so get ready. I just filmed a TikTok and I don't know where my water bottle went. What the heck? Oh, it's on my bed. How did I do that? That was really weird that I lost. People like their lettuce.
Like you.
Taco salad.
What?
Oh my god.
I need like a maintenance man to come and do
Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna.
Okay.
We're playing maneuver and doing some singing.
And dancing.
Oh. Whoa. Okay, so I have this bottle, and I'm really struggling to open it while I'm sitting down. So I'm gonna test out my theory to see if I stand up, if I can do it. Okay, wait. Is right in my pants. Nope, still can't do it. So.
Why can't you just open it sitting down?
Okay, well, that's a
Standing
good
up?
experiment.
What I can do is
Suck it up, buttercup.
Are you good?
Dying. We're up now, and then we're gonna go make breakfast soon.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coke up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter.
So we're all done. Hopefully I inserted the TikTok we made. So now we're going to Spree Park, the abandoned theme park. Really spooky over here. This creepy old man in there.
I think it was a stroller, so I think it's fine.
Creepy old man with a stroller.
The baby.
Probably a creepy baby too. I actually feel like I'm in a horror
another
movie.
part of my TikTok here?
So it says do not enter, danger of life and limb. So that's good. There's the Ferris wheel. All taking selfies because the lighting's good. So. So we're in the lobby for some reason. I don't know why. We're all just in the lobby. If there's a fire, shouldn't we like be out?
I know, I love how we're all just chilling. It's probably just from the kitchen.
There's a guy just chilling in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Unless it's like the restaurant kitchen. Like, do you think someone's pulled it? The fire truck should be coming.
I was literally watching a movie.
I was asleep. I was fully asleep.
That sucks.
With my earplugs. This experience.
Self-tan.
You self-tan on? Oh, yeah. The police are here.
Okay, let's make a huddle circle.
Chuck's here.
Went off, and we were just all in the lobby, and now they made us go out. You won!
Take her away.
We just started singing a song and that everyone knows and started.
Bye bye, butterfly.